Never, ever do this in the Seric software. I don't say never lightly. And what is the saying? You should never say never. I guess there's probably some minor situation you may want to do this. I'll show you one exception, but really should never want to do this. And what I'm talking about is going to the position in the model phase where you can edit the model. So where it is right here. Let me get oriented. Right there, that last little bit where it says edit model. I'm going to go click on that. So it's over here in this little location, edit model. If you've ever had a trainer or anybody say, yeah, you can go there and do whatever, I would say you need to get somebody else teaching you, because this is not a great place to go. If you have to edit the model, I would say you should just start over and image the human better. So anyway, I'm going to show you what not to do with edit the model. So when we come to the model, in the edit model part of the model phase, we can change some things. And one of the things is if you hit form here, and it gives you a warning, let me zoom in so you can see it. The warning says, caution, caution, with a big exclamation mark. Existing restorations are deleted if the model is edited. Leave this step without editing to keep all your restorations. Okay, got it, I understand. So the form tool is just like what you can do with the normal restoration. So I'm not going to go over to the teeth because this is actual patient of mine, but if I'm going to go over to this just extra information, it actually builds up information. But let's say this was tooth structure or something, gingiva, you wanted to build it up. I would dare say don't do it, because you can never make it better. You're never going to produce the information better. I said a minute ago, there's one exception. I'll give you another exception. But let's say that this is the, you just extracted a tooth and you're going to make a bridge and you want to smooth out the residual tissue. You could do that. You could go over to the smooth tool and then come over to the tissue. Again, I'm not going to mess up this case because this is an actual case that I did not too long ago, and you can melt that out so you get kind of all the ripples out. But that's soft tissue. Soft tissue is different. There's a lot of room for error, but on hard tissue, especially with margin areas, you're never going to make it better. It's only going to be inaccurate. So anyway, if you're going to smooth out the ponic area, that's probably not a bad deal to do. Another little tool that you can do is, let me find it here. Let me go to the full screen. The other tool is cut. Where are we? Wait, I need to slide over here a little bit more. Where is my cut tool? There we go, cut. So let's say you have a lot of cheek that got in the buccal side and it's separated. You don't want this to be touching the tooth structure, but let's say we had to get rid of this just so that we can get a buccal bite. So you double click, single, and then you can double click to end and it will clip that out. And then maybe it will articulate the upper and lower models better. But the point of this is that you don't want to go to the edit model unless it's the last resort, and it's really, you should image better, like dump the models, start over again, dry it again, whatever. You'd rather give it better data than trying to manipulate the data. If you're interested in more of our videos when it comes to digital enamel TV, I'd love to have you over at our channel. We've got apps for the iPhone and Android, and you can go to the website as well, digitalenamel.tv. And never, ever, ever, never, ever, 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 never, ever, I'm getting lost what I was going to say on never, edit that model. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Thanks for supporting us.